Midnight breakfast buffet na 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. open with spacious dining area na perfect for catering services for private event. Tara, food trip tayo. Andito nga pala kami ngayon sa The Food Market. Located sila sa Unit 3, ground floor, Commerce Center Building, 4th Avenue, corner 31st Street, BGC. Sa halagang 499 pesos mo, you'll get to experience over 40 Filipino, English, and continental breakfast dishes and accommodating ang mga staffs nila. First stop ko, ang cereals. Sayang, hindi ko kasama ang kids. For sure, mag-e-enjoy sila dito. May Milo and black coffee din sila. Kahit past 12 na nga, ang dami pa ding tao and may pila pa din sa labas ng resto. Syempre, di mawawala sa breakfast ang champorado. Partner with tuyo, danggit, or dilis. Favorite ko talaga to, lalo na pag maraming gatas. And dilis nga pala yung choice of dried fish. May plain rice and sinangag din. Sunny side and scrambled eggs, different kinds of siomai, tapa, pork tocino, chicken tocino, fried chicken and corned beef. Meron din silang pancakes, turon, kakanin, iba't ibang klaseng tinapay and siopaw, fried fish, longganisa, pansit canton, and bihon. Spacious din ang kanilang second floor na good for big groups. Birthdays, binyag, weddings, you name it. Pwedeng-pwede dito yan. May alfresco dining area din sila, kaya perfect ito for customers with fur babies. Nag-enjoy talaga ako dito kasi breakfast food person ako. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Mag-The Food Market ka na. Ayun lang, bye-bye!